Hey friends, I'm Henry with Brainstorm Acres, and boy do I feel like I'm in Groundhog Day again. Come along and I'll show you what's going on. Well, yes, I'm back in the utility building, once again with a water system problem. This time, the brand new pressure switch failed. It failed in kind of an interesting way. The contact just came apart. It didn't get burned or anything. It fell apart. So, I get to replace it. And that's where I went yesterday. While Irene was busy having fun in the greenhouse, I was busy driving down to the hardware store. So, I'll get started. First, I got to get this ladder out of the way. Well, there you have it. Another pressure switch installed, the old one's replaced, that contactor's completely missing on one side. Don't know how it happened, there's no burn marks or anything else. But at least we're done and we're back with water, which means shower, flush the toilet, do the laundry, and get the dishes done. But first, we have to go back down to Prescott to pick up Isa and do a few other chores. Thanks for watching. I hope this wasn't much interest to you because it's sure a pain in the butt to be changing these pressure switches. But at least I know what it is, it's fixed, and it's working. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.